We'll guide you through how to make shape border texture in After Effects. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open Adobe After Effects on your computer and wait for the program to load completely. After the workspace appears, create a new composition to begin your project. Set the composition settings you need, then confirm to open the timeline. Next, create a shape layer and draw your desired shape inside the composition window. Remove the fill if you want a clean outline-only design. Then add a stroke color and increase the stroke width until the shape becomes clearly visible and stylized. After that, apply effects such as roughen edges or turbulent displace to create a more organic and textured outline appearance. Adjust the effect settings carefully to control how rough or distorted the edges look. You can also add noise to give the shape a grainy or more realistic texture. If desired, animate the evolution property to create continuous movement and make the shape feel alive. Add blur or glow effects to enhance the visual style and make the shape stand out more in the composition. You can also combine multiple effects to create a more complex and unique design style. Experimenting with different stroke widths and distortion levels can help you achieve a more customized look. Make sure to preview your animation frequently so you can fine-tune each adjustment accurately. Small changes in timing and effect intensity can significantly improve the final result. Continue refining the stroke thickness, texture intensity, and animation speed until the result looks balanced and visually appealing. Once everything is complete, preview the result by playing the timeline from the beginning and check that the animated shape works smoothly. You can also make small timing adjustments if the motion feels too fast or too slow. Finally, add the composition to the render queue and click Render to export the final video.